In a place where rain is rare and the soil was once thought lifeless, an experiment transformed the impossible into reality. In a place where almost nothing grows, where the sun burns the earth and rain is nearly forgotten, something unexpected appeared. Peanuts? Growing in the desert? A discovery that left scientists and millions watching completely stunned. For decades, experts believed this land was too dry, too harsh, too unforgiving for farming. But a small group of farmers and scientists had a different idea. They asked a simple question: what if the desert wasn't as lifeless as it seemed? It began as an experiment, one many believed would fail. Peanuts planted in sand under one of the most unforgiving climates on Earth. But what happened next would challenge everything scientists thought they knew about farming. In one of the harshest landscapes on Earth, the vast Sahara Desert, something unexpected appeared. Where scorching sunlight meets endless sand, farmers began harvesting peanuts. For generations, this land was considered too dry, too fragile, too unforgiving for agriculture. But a small experiment would challenge everything scientists believed about desert soil. Hidden beneath the sand, researchers discovered something remarkable. With careful irrigation and the right nutrients, even desert soil could support life. Tiny seedlings pushed through the sand. At first, the progress was slow, almost invisible. But beneath the surface, the peanut plants were quietly transforming the soil itself. Peanut plants have a rare ability. Their roots host special bacteria that capture nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil naturally. In the desert, this biological partnership became a powerful tool. Each growing plant slowly improved the ground around it. With drip irrigation delivering small, precise amounts of water, the fragile ecosystem began to stabilize. What began as a risky experiment soon expanded into something far larger. Rows of peanut plants stretched across land once believed impossible to farm. Farmers harvested baskets filled with peanuts, grown in soil that had once been nothing but sand. In the heart of the Sahara, a quiet transformation had begun. A reminder that sometimes, even the most unforgiving landscapes can hold unexpected potential. But the story does not end here. The fields continue to grow. More rows appear. More green spreads across the sand. Water moves slowly, through thin lines across the soil. Every drop is measured. Every drop matters. Farmers return each day. Step by step, they watch the land respond. The soil changes. It becomes darker, softer, stronger. And beneath it, roots keep working, quietly, patiently. Then comes the harvest. Plants are lifted from the ground. Clusters of peanuts hang below, covered in fine desert sand. Baskets begin to fill, one after another. The desert is no longer empty. From the fields, the journey continues. The peanuts are gathered, loaded, moved forward. Inside large buildings near the edge of the desert, machines begin their work. The peanuts are cleaned, dust is removed, stones are separated. They are washed and prepared. Heat is applied, slowly, evenly. The shells dry, the texture changes. Then, pressure. Strong, steady, controlled. The peanuts are crushed, and from that pressure, something new begins to appear. A golden liquid, peanut oil. It flows through metal channels, smooth, continuous, filtered, cleared, refined. Nearby, empty bottles wait. The oil is poured, measured precisely. Each bottle is sealed, labeled, packed. Boxes are stacked high, ready to move. Outside, trucks wait. Engines start. The desert begins to fade behind them. Long roads stretch forward. Sand becomes pavement. Silence becomes movement. The journey continues, far from where it began. Cities appear, buildings rise, lights glow, life moves quickly. And inside, quiet places remain. A store, bright shelves, ordered rows. The bottles arrive, placed carefully among many others. They look the same, simple, ordinary, but they are not. Inside each one is a journey, from burning sand to flowing water to living soil to harvest to machine to shelf. Most will never see it. They will only reach out and take a bottle. But hidden inside is something more. A quiet transformation, a patient process, a simple idea carried all the way through. And a reminder that even in the harshest places, life can begin again. If given time, if given care, if given a chance. From desert sand to everyday life. If a desert can change, what else might be possible? Follow this journey and discover more stories hidden in plain sight.